Put it in. No, don't bite it. Get them off of there. Come on. Can you help me? Oh, it. There we go. Okay, next one. Stuff down here. See if we get some more. Only the red ones. No green. No greens. Just the red. Get the red. Get some more.
Come on down here. The big red ones right here. Can't go wrong.
Darn. Squirrels. Come on. Come on, get some more. Yeah, fill up the bag.
Not the green ones.
Just the red ones. Come on. Put it in there. There you go.
Just the red ones.
Just the red ones. Those are green. Come on, just red. There you go. That one's yellow.
Put them on the table up there. Go help Grandma get some red ones. Yeah, go help her. We're going to make spaghetti sauce. And like I said, this is the 7th picking. We got so many tomatoes here, it's crazy. But mainly the ones on the right here, we're going to go into the crock pot. They should all fit in there. And we're going to boil these down to a nice spaghetti sauce, or a sauce to use for other, future projects. What we're just going to do is we're going to pull the, oh, my back. Oh, ow. You just pull the greens off of there, and we'll throw them in the pot and cook them down with a little garlic, and make a raw sauce that doesn't have all the stuff in there, so we can freeze it. Maybe some onions and celery will go first, because we're going to freeze it. I think she's going to put onions and celery. So.
Yeah, so it'll be onions, celery, maybe a carrot.
But this time we're not taking the skins off. We'll deal with the skins when they're all mushy and done. We'll show you how we use the food processor, or the bullet thing that you jam it in there and grind them all up, and we'll push them through a sieve to get all the skins and seeds out of there. But boy, we make some awesome, awesome sauce. So thanks to Kenley for helping us pick these. Okay, so you can add some rest of the goodies.
1 carrot, onion, a couple stalks of celery. Get that all in there. And then 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a couple teaspoons of garlic. Sprinkle that all in.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
No water.
No water. Come back in an hour. Give it a stir.
Give it a stir in about an hour. We'll show you what it looks like. But boy, when it's done, delicious. This will all be going in the freezer with the other 3 batches. Why wouldn't it? After about 9 hours of cooking all these tomatoes, we use the bullet, or whatever it is. We grind them all up nice. Oh, look at that splashing all over. And then after it's all mixed up like that, we run it through a sieve into the kettle, and then we'll boil it down for a little bit more thickness before we can it or bag it. It'll be bagged and put in the freezer this time. But you run it through the sieve just to get any little pieces of skin or seeds out of there. And that's awesome, awesome. So here's the sauce mixed up. Going to go through the sieve, the strainer. Or soup. At this stage you can make soup out of it if you wanted. You can add some more celery and whatnot, but This is going to be a pure sauce. Instead of the fat lady out, maybe. Oops. Dancing toddlers. This is my great granddaughter here. Or my great granddaughter. Not great.
Hello.
Hello.
I just did.
She did, yeah.
Who's the best baby in the world?
She does it so much.